Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to resize image in Word in inches. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert an image in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Picture option. Then choose a picture on our file and insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Now we resize this image 2 inches. Click the image and go to the format menu. Then we can see this height to height measurement is centimeter. Now we change the measurement centimeter to inches. Go to the file menu, click the option menu. Then go to the advanced and find and click the measurement. Now we can see here this show measurements in units of centimeter. Now we change the centimeters to inches. Click the drop down menu and select the inches. Now click OK. Now we can see here this is inches and we resize this image to inches. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.